Hello guys, how are you doing today? Again, Madrid. Very beautiful here. You know, since my last video it was always rain. Today it's sunny, but it's already late. So I'm not far from Legazpi, 35 kilometers. Because usually when I drive I go far away. So where I am, Castilla, Sorsogon province. You know, Sorsogon province is my favorite province in the Philippines. That's why I always come here. I already visit all municipality in Sorsogon province. You know, Castilla, I didn't explore too much. But today I discover, because I drive from the centro, you say for foreigner center of the town. I'm like 10 kilometers from center. Today I want clean air, no people. You know, I have stress about something, my business, but okay. So let's speak later. So the barangay, it's San Roque, I guess. But you know, when you write in rolling hills in Google and Waze, you will find easily. I use Waze because it consumes less data than Google. Google is use too much battery and data. Waze is, you see whole valley, look so many. I don't have the best camera. This iPhone 15 Pro, look, whole forest. Yeah, like that. Yeah, so many to discover. I see already one guy. I want to go to the top on the hill. There is already one guy in the top. But he not look vlogger because he not recording. So the first day since last video, it's sunny. So that's why I go out. Yeah, for foreigner who follow me. It's farmer. It's not. It's farmer. I see Carabao. For foreigner who follow me, here summer it starts March, but in February it start better. January usually is bad month. I don't know, because you know, with El Nino, the climate change, last year it was not too much rain. So I don't know what will be. So my next plan travel, I want to go Lagonoy. Many to explore there. But I think because it's 100 kilometers from Legazpi, I think I need to sleep there to explore all, going very early. Like 6 a.m. So about foreigner who asked me, today is 29 degrees. Yeah. It's too hot for January. This week it will be 28, 29, 30. It's too hot. Last year it was, I remember, all month 27. But the climate change. So beautiful. So relaxing. Hello to my friend and my family who look my video. And I know it's cold in Europe, especially in Belgium, where my family. Yeah. So I'm near the top. I will take you at the top. I thought where the guy is the top. No, it's going more height. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, I love Provence. Oh, so wonderful. I see ocean. Yeah, it's so wonderful. And January, I'm waiting. Yeah, I just think about my friend, my family in Europe. Very cold, very suffering. Yeah. Oh, so beautiful over here. Wow. Oh, I see Mayon. Nice. Nice. Beautiful Mayon. I still smoking. Oh, so beautiful here. Wow. You see here, no foreigner. With me, you will always discover a place where no foreigner going and where not too much Filipino going. Yeah. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, all green. Yeah, all green. In Europe, I don't say it's yellow. No, it's nothing. No more. Yeah, all fall down in autumn. Oh, I'm so happy to come here. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, really? I can't sleep here, really. If I had Cuba, Unipa house. Wow, so beautiful. Yeah, no one. Only a few farmers. The guy back, it's a farmer. Ah. Oh, it's so hot in the top. Oh. Oh. So, there's road. Oh. Yeah, sometime they will make asphalt here also. You know, the road to coming here, I saw they build the road. It's very improving, Philippines. Yeah, I see many roads they build everywhere. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I cannot stop record because I want to show you. It's so beautiful. Ah, there's house at the top. Ah, but the top is not there, it's in the right. I can't take scooter, but I want to walk. Wow, so nice. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Look, I zoom all the palm. Oh, so beautiful. Hi. It's look very different than, example, Tudoran. It's look, I don't know, like Bohol. It's very muddy here. Let's check the views. I really like waterfall there. Yeah, it's very noisy. I don't know if you're on camera, but I don't see. Yeah, it's probably waterfall. Let's see if we can see today. So let's go because it's coming night. I don't know if I can explore all because look, so many hills. So there it's too muddy. I will not go. But maybe I will be back. I will try to find another way, but I don't know if I will have time. It was already dark. So we're going down here. You can see nice pan of view. You can see ocean. You see very far. And millions of palm trees everywhere. Yeah. I met only few farmers, very friendly. They don't speak English, but you understand. They say with a heat, they say hello. Yeah, they want to speak, but they know we don't speak Tagalog, foreigner. So nice. 20 minutes before it's night. I take now another way where I heard waterfall. Let's see if I can catch waterfall before it's night. But if I see it's a very beautiful waterfall, I will come back. 35 kilometers is how much? 40 minutes with a scooter? Yeah. Let's see, because it's very muddy here, because the sun with the hill seem not coming here. I have a guy with a Cabarro, so friendly. I just want to drink beer with him, so friendly. Yeah, big smile. Yeah, it's over here, Filipino. But you know, in Belgium also, when you go in province in Belgium, everyone say hello. Yeah. Ooh la la, it's very muddy here. Okay, I see the ray. So, take you back later. So I come from there. I see another route here. You just remember me if you saw my video button. Yes, here, like button. In Rapu Rapu. So I heard big waterfall, but with all soul they put. Wow, very big stone. So it's look there is a way to going there. So it's the noise I heard right there. Not waterfall. Maybe after waterfall, but here it's river. Aish. I'm really scary about the snake because they like place like that. Look here, you must to put your shoes on bamboo, and after going there, it's very dangerous. My gosh. Oish. Oi, let's go. You know, I see always Filipino, they have bolo when they working in the jungle. Always. Because when I know the snake afraid noise, so they make noise with bolo. Boy. I hope tomorrow is sunny and I can travel. I don't want to stay at home. So I don't know this way. So I will take the way I take to come here. So guys, that's all for today. Now going back Legazpi. 40 minutes. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. You know, I'm disappointed about the tribe. Not so many views. One video tries only 40 views. I'm shocked. I don't know why. Because there is no book about this tribe. There was never show on television where I was. So, see you soon. I will travel when no rain. I hope tomorrow Thursday. This weekend I heard it will be rain again. So tomorrow Thursday I will travel again. Bye.